Imagine you're working on a document in Quarto and you run into a problem. The issue at hand involves the caption for a figure, which stubbornly insists on displaying a colon instead of a period after the word figure. Frustrating, right? You want that period, not a colon, and you're scratching your head trying to figure out how to make the change. Into the solution. The key lies in tweaking the cross-reference options in your YAML header. By setting the title delim parameter to a period, you can wave goodbye to those pesky colons and usher in the elegant period you desire. It's a simple yet effective fix that puts an end to your caption punctuation woes once and for all. So there you have its solution to your punctuation predicament. With a quick adjustment in your YAML header, you can bid farewell to colons and embrace periods in your figure captions. It's a small change that makes a big difference in the visual appeal of your document. In summary, problem solved. Next time you're faced with a similar issue in Quarto, remember the power of YAML settings. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Who knows, your next document tweak might just be a period away from perfection.